Hey guys, today's look is all about rich bronze golden tones. I love these tones for the summer season. I'm gonna walk you through this entire look and I'm very excited because most of the products that I'm using in this video are part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which is going on right now. These are must-have beauty exclusives from all your favorite brands, so I can't wait to show you guys all these products. And I want to say a quick thank you to Nordstrom for teaming up with me on this video. All right guys, let's get into this look. I'm starting with a bare face and we're going to start with a little bit of skin prep. First up is the Nurse Jamie Uplift Facial Trio set. This set is actually exclusive to Nordstrom. It includes the Uplift Massaging Beauty Roller, which I'm going to show you guys how to use. It's awesome. The Face Wrap Skin Perfecting Silicone Mask and the EGF Botanical Complex Moisturizing Serum Packet. If you guys haven't tried this beauty roller, this is a must try. After the first time I used it, I was obsessed because I totally noticed a difference right away. It has these little massaging stones on it, and I massage different areas of my face for about 30 to 45 seconds. It made my skin feel awake, so I really love doing this in the morning. And then next I apply the moisturizing serum. You could also use just a regular moisturizer if you want. So to really make that serum absorb into your skin, after you apply it, you put on the silicone mask. Now I know the silicone mask has a look, but it works. Because it's silicone and it's really wrapped around the contours of your face, it really locks in moisture. So after using it just one time, you'll notice your skin looks so much smoother and so hydrated. I usually leave it on for about 20 minutes and then I'll do my regular skincare routine after that. Since this look is all about golden bronzy goodness, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel Body. This lotion is so beautiful on the skin. It gives the most gorgeous shimmer and glow. I actually really like doing this before I do my makeup because I feel that once I have it on, I can gauge how it looks on my skin and then I can make sure that my foundation matches. You can see as I put it on my shoulder, it just reflects the light beautifully and gives your skin the most gorgeous golden effect. Next up, I'm using the BECCA Prep Set and Glow Kit. This is another Nordstrom exclusive. It includes the BECCA First Light Priming Filter, which we're going to use first, the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Opal. So I'm starting off by applying the priming filter. One of the great things about this Nordstrom anniversary sale is that a lot of these sets are on super sale prices that are only during the anniversary sale. So if you want to get any of these products, this is definitely the time to do it. For foundation, I'm using one of my favorites. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Since I am so tanned right now, the color that I'm using is Vanatu. And because I want more of a natural dewy look, I'm using my beauty blender to apply the foundation. To highlight and contour, I'm using two of my favorite colors from the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. To start, I'm using Cannelle to brighten underneath my eyes and as a highlighter as well. And then as my contour color, I'm using Almond. I'm using my beauty blender one more time to blend out all of the highlights. And then for the contour, I'll be using one of the brushes from the Trish McEvoy The Power of Brushes Sunlit Glamour set. This set includes 8 brushes in this beautiful clutch, and I'm using brush 84, the complexion enhancer, to blend out all of my contour. Because this shape has this nice point to it, you can really blend out and carve your face, so it's great to blend out nose contour, chisel out your cheeks, and to blend around your temples. Next, I'm setting everything with the BECCA Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, which is part of the Prep and Set Glow Kit. This powder has such a cool effect to it because when you put it on, it actually feels really cold at first, so it really does kind of refresh your skin. Next up, I'm using one of my favorite sets from today's look. This is the Too Faced Sex Gold and Chocolate set. It includes the Chocolate Gold Eyeshadow Palette, the Better Than Sex Mascara, and the 24-Hour Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. I'm starting off with the eye primer, applying that all over my lid to make sure we keep all that eyeshadow in place. And next, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Eyeshadow Palette, which has the most beautiful tones. The first color that I'm using is So Bougie. I love that name. This is the perfect color to kind of just apply all over your lid as a base. And I'm using brush 29, the tapered blending brush from the Trish McEvoy brush set. Next, I'm using the color Cocoa Truffle, and I'm applying that in my crease with brush 29, the tapered blending brush. This set is actually really great because it has all of the major brushes you need to create a makeup look. I do want to mention that a lot of the products in the anniversary sale are exclusives and limited edition. So the offers end August 5th. Using a little bit of Love and Cocoa, applying that beautiful bronzy shade all over my lid with the Trish McEvoy brush 64, the Petite Cream blender brush, and then I'm going in with the color Old Money. This is kind of more of a coppery bronze. I'm applying this more in the inner corner of my eye. Going back with the tapered blending brush, I'm sweeping Cocoa Truffle along my lower lash line. For a pop in the inner corner, I'm using Famous, which is this beautiful bright gold. And to give the look a little bit something extra, I'm throwing in a little bit of New Money, just a little bit in the center of the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking Decadent, which is a beautiful black matte shadow, and I'm applying this in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm using the Petite Angled Crease contour brush from the set, and then I'm blending it out with the eye blending brush. I'm using the MAC Black Ice Pro Longwear eyeliner. This is one of my favorite ways to really make your eye color pop. And then coating my top and bottom lashes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for lashes, I'm using the MAC 36 Lash, which is the perfect lash for pretty much any makeup look because they have a really nice natural shape to them. Next, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin Palette. This palette has a beautiful mix of powder, contour, blush, and glow. I'm starting with the bronze and contour color, and I'm using number 37 bronzer brush from the set. Another really cool thing happening during the Nordstrom anniversary sale is they're doing glam out days where they're doing makeovers, so you can go get your makeup done and try out a bunch of different products. For brows, I'll be using another favorite set. This is the Brow Duo set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you guys love the Brow Wiz like I do, you're gonna love this set. It comes with the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil and the clear brow gel, which you guys know I love and I use it all the time. The color that I use for the Brow Wiz is soft brown. I'm using this to fill in my brows and give them shape, and I like to set everything with the clear brow gel. This brow gel is amazing because it really holds the hair in place. You put it on and you don't have to worry about any little hair moving. For highlighter, I'm going back with my BECCA Opal highlighter. This is such a beautiful natural shade, and I'm using the number 10 One Sweep color brush from the set. For the lips, I'm using the NARS Power Matte lip pigment in the color Somebody to Love. These lip pigments are really pigmented, so I actually like to kind of just apply a little bit in the center of my lip and then go in with my finger and blend everything out. I find that this gives a little bit more of a natural look. And then once I have that, I go in with the pointy end of the applicator and I use that to line my lips to give my lips a really clean shape. To finish up the lips, I'm going to be using the gloss from the MAC Little MAC Nude lip set. This includes the Love You Back matte lipstick, which is a beautiful pinky nude color, and the clear water lip gloss. I'm adding a little bit to the lips to give them a bit of glossy shimmer to them. And then this is probably one of my favorite parts of the look. I decided to add a bit of that lip gloss to my lids. You guys know I love a glossy lid. I think this makes this look so much more fun, and I love the way this looks with all those beautiful bronzy shimmery shadows. If you haven't tried a glossy lid, this is the time to try it. And then for the last step, I'm going back with the Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel Body and applying a bit of this as a highlighter on my face, and this is just going to give us that beautiful golden goddess vibes to complete this look. Another really cool thing about the Nordstrom anniversary sale is that all of these items are brand new items that are going to be coming out, so you guys get to try them out before they go to full price after the sale. And that is the final look. I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to check out all the products that I used today in the description box below with their links. And don't forget that the Nordstrom anniversary sale is going on right now until August 5th. And all these products are available both online and in store. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video very soon.